So this is a login screen for Mobiry. You use your username and password to log in. I'll log in with login name Beta Fitness, and the password is. So our first screen that we see is the subscribers page. It has a filter section here. That is basically used to display the whatever members that we need to based on the search criteria. We can search by keyword, which is used in first name or last name. We can search in a particular field. We can search as the ones only users that were created by administrators, that were self-signed up, that were signed up through the web. We can filter by particular group, and we can filter by a certain time period. The first thing that you need to do before sending out SMS campaigns is to populate the subscriber list. You can create subscribers in two ways. You can either create them manually one by one, or you can import them. To create a subscriber manually, you need to press on the Create button and fill the form details. I'll just put a test subscriber in. You select the country code from the drop-down box. So in case of Australia, it would be 61, and you put the phone number in. You also put an email address. The rest of the information is optional. You can also assign a subscriber to a particular group. I just created one group called Leads, but you can create more through the backend. So as you see, we just created a subscriber, and the color coding shows which group subscriber belongs to. To create additional groups, you can go to subscribers groups, and you can create other groups, let's say members. For color coding, you can also create one of the colors to distinctly see which group subscriber belongs to. To do bulk import, you can import subscribers from text file. You go to subscribers, import subscribers. Here you can use either tab or comma or other type of file. I have a file that is a tab separated file as a sample. I select tab here, I click upload file. Here it basically allows me to match the fields from the file to certain fields in the system. So I select first name, last name, phone number, email address. As you can see, there are some additional fields that you can use to import information to the system. You can also assign the imported members to a particular group, or you can create a new group. So it shows that there were total 2 lines in the file, and 2 subscribers were imported. When you go back to subscribers, so we have 4 subscribers here. Now you can do bulk operations on subscribers. For example, you can highlight the different members, and you can assign them to a different group. You can remove them from group. Each button usually has 2 options. When you click on the triangle, each operation can be done either on a checked group, so either on checked members, so basically on the ones whom you checked, or on found group. So basically, operation is done on all subscribers who have been found using the certain search criteria. So this, for example, if you want to select people to a different group, you can assign check to group. As you can see, those people who are not already a part of members group were assigned to this group. So the next common thing that you would do is to send a text message to the subscribers. What you would do, you would go to new text, new message. You will type the message. You can also use certain custom tags in the message. To do so, there is a tag feature here. So you can, for example, say, hello first name, this is a test. You can select to send a message right now or to schedule it for later. You can press schedule in advance as you want to. To send it right now, you also need to select recipients for the message. You can select either individual subscribers, you can select groups, or you can add additional phone numbers. For example, this is where you select the country code. Also, if you have links in the message, we have functionality that allows to shorten those links and track their responses. Basically, to delete the recipient from a list, you just highlight it and you can delete it. After that, you press, it shows how many messages the text message is. It's better to keep it under 140 or 160 characters. After you send right now, basically it shows you how many messages you will send, how many credits will be used, and because some of the recipients don't have their first name, it shows that there is a problem with the stack. So you can still send a text message, and the text message will be in your outbox for a while, for a few seconds. It usually takes less than a minute for a message to go out. So as you can see, the message was moved from outbox to send folder, and those beeps were basically me receiving the test messages. It also shows the delivery status, so you can go to the details, and you can see that that all messages have been delivered, except one phone number that we just came up with. It shows as error. So all messages are accessible through the send folder. If you want to copy the message that you previously sent, you press copy, and you have a chance to resend it again, or you can customize the content. So this is very basic functionality on how to send text messages. You can go more advanced by scheduling them in the future. In this case, test message will appear in your schedule folder and wait until it is actually sent out. Drafts are usually not used because text messages are quite short, but basically when you create a text message, you can, if you don't send it right away, you have ability to save it as in drafts using this icon. In this case, basically, you can create a text message, you can add the recipients, and send it out when you need to. So that is a basic text message functionality. One more unique feature about Mobiry is mobile coupons. Mobile coupons allow you to send campaigns with either unique or non-unique coupon codes to your subscribers. This is how it works. First, you need to select. You need to create one or several locations. To create a location, you need to give a location an ID, so which is any alphanumeric ID. In this case, I'll just give it an ID club. You give it a name. And each location should have a login and password. So in this case, I'll use. The rest of information is not mandatory. Locations are needed because each coupons that you send can be redeemable and at certain locations, and some locations may not have access to it. After you created a location, you need to create a campaign. To create a campaign, you need to press the create button. A campaign would be something like August 9th promo. the ID would be. Code generation type. The code can be either auto-generated or it can be the same code. Auto-generated means that every recipient of the text message will receive unique code that is fully trackable for when they come in the facility and try to redeem it. You can give coupon an expiration type, so it could be either a time period or a number of days since the text message is sent. Let's say in this case the coupon is valid from August 8th to September 1st. Coupon can be valid all day or only a certain time interval in the day. So that is usually used for retail outlets for when coupon can be valid only from, let's say, 2 to 5 a.m. Sorry, 2 to 5 p.m. So let's say the coupon is valid all day. We can also set how many redemptions each coupon can have. So after that, you need to create a message with the coupon. So for example, something like that. In order to include the unique code into the text message, you need to add a code tag. It is $, code $. Instead of this text, the system will include a unique coupon code that will be generated for each message recipient. We also select which locations have access to this coupon. In this case, we have only one, and it is checked. So we just saved the promo. Now we can send this promo. To send the promo, we press the send button. We select the subscribers whom we send it to. So for example, in this case, we send it to leads. And we select checked. So we select one group. If I were to select found, it will add both groups to message recipients. And I'll press send now button. So it shows me that the message will be sent to two recipients, and would I like to continue? Yes. The campaign that we just sent out, it's August 9th promo. We can see the distributions that we sent out. We only sent one distribution. We can also see the coupons that we sent out for this campaign. You can see that each coupon was sent to a certain phone number, and this is the code that was sent to the phone number. So basically, there were two different phones sent out. Then we can see that there were no redemptions of this coupon as of yet. So technically, those people can come to your facility and they can show the coupon. You can trust them that they received it, and you can give them the promo.